Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless X, a channel dedicated to easing your digital transformation. In today's video, we'll be going through announcements that we found exciting from the WWDC 23 keynote. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. We are tired of typing and calling out our numbers to people. So, naturally, we can't wait to try out Name Drop. In 2023, that's exactly the kind of technology we should have. We also hope that the updates to AirDrop will make it more reliable, because we're also tired of restarting our devices just to get AirDrop working. Has anyone else had that experience with AirDrop, or is it just us? For someone who stopped journaling a while back, I wonder if the new journal app will help me reignite that habit. It was the first announcement I got really excited about during the WWDC 23 keynote. We are curious to see how Apple has integrated it into the Photos app. It could simplify journaling for a lot of us and make it cheaper because good journaling apps are a bit expensive. We first learned about interactive widgets on Android on the Samsung Tab S8. So this is certainly not new technology, but we love interactive widgets so much that we can't wait to try them on iPadOS. Then we'll compare them to the Android ones, see which ones are better. Because interacting with widgets on the homepage simplifies life. It just makes everything easier. We can't believe we're only getting them now. iPadOS is finally catching up with iOS. Or did it? I mean, we can finally customize our lock screen. But we can do cooler customization on iOS with Standby. So, we're curious to know if Standby will be available on iPadOS 17 as well. But it doesn't look like it, considering how it's activated. We also love the new stickers. Even though they demonstrated them more on iOS 17, we're more excited about them in iPadOS 17 because we would love to see if these will work in all note-taking apps, which will be awesome. The best update is definitely the PDF annotation features coming to Apple Notes. We can now autofill forms even if they're scanned. That is impressive. This technology has worked on native PDFs, but we haven't seen it working on scans yet, and so we're excited to try it. But even more exciting than that is that we can finally annotate our PDFs in Apple Notes. About time. Attaching PDFs for annotating in a separate window was just annoying, and so we're really happy and excited about this. We are happy that we no longer need to swipe to view our widgets in macOS Sonoma. It's also cool that they dim when we're using different apps. They will even be more useful now that we can interact with them. So we definitely can't wait to try them. Web apps will simplify the way we work in Safari to help us access information faster. We can't wait to try it and see if it's really as amazing as we think. We're not keen on sharing passwords though. Something as simple as opening an email can compromise your security and everyone who's sharing your passwords or everyone whose passwords you have. So, for now, this is not exciting news at all. Vision Pro is an interesting concept, but its practicality is questionable. Apple has normalized AirPods, so they could just normalize this, but Vision Pro feels lonely and detached. It makes more sense for movies and studying. Actually, it makes more sense for studying than for movies. I don't know about you, but I love sharing my movie experiences. And a common screen, especially if we're sitting next to each other, is a big part of that. And at that price, most families won't be sharing experiences on the Vision Pro. So, yeah, we have so many questions. Can two people view the same app simultaneously with this? I mean, at the moment, I can just turn my computer to show my mom a presentation I'm working on. Would that be possible if we were both using Vision Pros? We think this would have been more impressive if everyone could see it, like Iron Man. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I'm just saying it would make more sense then. Right now, with just one person seeing it, one person wearing the Vision Pros seeing all of this stuff in thin air, it's not very impressive. Apple didn't even share any specs for the Vision Pro, and we can't help but feel the announcement was a bit premature. Let us know what you think. I just lost $200 to Uncle Dan on the operating system name for Vision Pro. I argue that Apple couldn't be that predictable, but they are. Vision OS lost me $200. Guess it was a bit obvious. I was just hoping that they would be a bit more creative. Like, I was going with VOS. That made more sense, right? Instead of Vision OS. Yeah, I think VOS would have sounded better. What do you think? We feel Apple's innovation slowed down this year. There would have been no problem with them just announcing software updates only. But we are a new product-driven society, and even Apple feels the pressure. Now we have M2, M2 Pro, M2 Max, M2 Ultra, and probably next we'll be having M2 Berserk. Thing is, we were expecting M3 and it doesn't seem to be coming anytime soon. Apple should probably invest more in their software development programs and slow down on the hardware development. We understand. Apple already has brilliant devices that honestly don't need an upgrade every year. Which announcements excited you the most? We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next video.